Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, forget everything you thought this channel was about. We are on a radical journey, a zero to purpose experiment, where we are actively trying to define our next compelling mission. Want to see the raw, unfiltered struggle and triumph of finding a new North Star. This is where the real works begin. This season isn't polished, it's honest. We are starting from zero, not because we failed, but we refuse to keep moving without a meaning. Somewhere along the way, the old direction stopped pulling us forward. But instead of pretending we have it all figured out, we choose to pause, strip everything back, and ask the hardest question: why are we here? What are we building? Who are we becoming? This is not a rebrand, it's a redefinition. We are documenting the messy middle, the late night conversation, the doubts that we have, the disagreement, the breakthroughs. You will see us test the ideas, abandon them, confront uncomfortable truth, and slowly piece together a mission that actually feels true. No script, no shortcut, just the really creative and spiritual work of finding a new North Star. We are trying, guys, to find ourselves. Trying to find ourselves, guys, because it's not because we didn't have somewhere to live. We didn't build in the first place. We once had our own place, but things didn't work, guys. You know, when you are in diaspora, people, they can misuse your things. So we lost everything. But this time, we are starting again. We are not starting from scratch. At least we learned lessons. We have learned some few lessons. So this time, at least, we are going to avoid most of the mistakes that we did long back, guys. Our North Star isn't just a goal. It's a guiding truth, something strong enough to orient our decision, our work, our life. Even when things get harder and we are not inheriting it, we are building it from the ground. Along the way, we will explore what it really means to let go of any old identity. How starting from zero can be an advantage, not a weakness. The tension between survival and purpose. How clarity is fought through action, not perfection. This is what we are going to explore, guys. The tension between survival and purpose is going to be hot. It's going to be hot, guys. Hey, kusazoshisa, because this journey that we are starting is not an easy one, but we will face those struggles and we will find our way out. We will find our way out. So, guys, this journey is ambitious because it's vulnerable. It requires humility to admit you don't know, courage to keep going anyway, and faith that purpose reveals itself to those willing to do the work. If you are also in a season of questioning, if your old map no longer works, if you are searching for direction, not motivation, then walk with us. Walk with us, guys. This journey is not going to be easy. It's going to be difficult, but there is no turning back. There is no turning back. We are doing this together with you guys. I advise us, correct us, give us advice. You know, we are counting on you guys. We are also counting on you. So please, if you see us going the wrong direction, correct us. Those who have gone through this journey of relocating, they know the road. Please correct us. Correct us, guys. So this time is not going to be an easy year for us, but we will get there. This is a raw process of redefining a collective mission. This is the struggle before aligning. This is from zero to purpose. And this time, we are not chasing success. We are chasing meaning and letting that become our new North Star. Guys, it's going to be difficult. But I'm ready. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready to face whatever challenge that I will face. So, guys, I will show you some videos of where we built our house 2016, our home 2016, and the mistake that we did. We bought property first before we building our house, our biggest house. And that one, we only built 2-room and the kitchen. So that 2-room was full of beds, property. We bought property before building a main house. Guys, we lost everything. So now we are going to start this with you guys because we are buying. First, we are looking for a land. Second, we have to buy the land. We have to build. We have to buy furniture. And we have to take our kids and relocate. This is going to be a long journey. This is going to be a long journey, but we are starting now. 2026, we are starting our journey. Walk with us, guys. Walk with us. Sometimes you will learn something from us. Sometimes you will learn from our mistakes that we did. Then you will do better when you relocate. Guys, when are you going to build your own house? Yeah, so guys, walk with us. Walk with us. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you will subscribe, or hope you will get something meaningful from this video. Like, comment, tell me what do you think about this locating journey, because we are starting from zero to purpose. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.